How to fix your Food Line application not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When you're trying to access the Food Line application but it's showing trouble, here are possible troubleshoots you need to fix. First of all, make sure to update the app. In case of Android devices, go to Google Play Store and search for the application Food Line. For iOS devices, you can go to App Store and search for it and tap on update button if it's visible. After this, you need to clear the app cache. This is for the Android users. Long press the application and go to App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. Go back to the previous page, tap on Permissions and give the required permissions like that of location and notifications. For the iOS devices, you need to go to iPhone storage, search for the application, tapping on Offload and then reinstall the app. However, even after doing all of this, it does not work. Make sure to clear all the background application at once, and once this is done, relaunch the application Food Line. However, this also does not work. In that case, you'll have to uninstall the app completely and reinstall it. Additionally, keep in mind that you need to ensure a stable internet connection. Check your device for sufficient storage space, but if the problem persists, contact the Food Line support page. Thank you for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.